What if you can build a full-stack web app or mobile app for Android and iPhone without writing a single line of code? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I built an entire SaaS app product using an AI platform called Rocket.new. Yes, AI will do almost all the work, including design, database, authentication, and even deployment. Whether you're a total beginner or someone who's struggled with coding before, this could be the fastest way to build and launch your next big idea. And even if you're a developer, you'll be surprised how much faster and more efficient this can make your workflow. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to go from an idea to a live app using just your words. To get started, click the link in the description. It will take you straight to the official Rocket.new website. It's completely free to start using it. Now here on the homepage, you'll see a simple input box where you can tell the AI what kind of app you want to build. The user interface is super clean and easy to navigate. I tried building different apps with this tool, and honestly, it's more powerful than most other AI app builders out there. It understands complex and large context, avoids errors, and actually delivers exactly what you asked for. All you need to do is type your app idea here in the chat box. The process works in 4 steps: prompt, develop, iterate, which is customizing your app, and deploy to publish it online. Rocket supports popular frameworks like Flutter for mobile apps, HTML, Next.js, React, and more. It also has built-in integration features, which I personally love the most because they make development faster and production ready. You can integrate services like GitHub, Supabase, Figma, Netlify, Stripe, ChatGPT, Google Analytics, and more. With these integrations, you can build almost any SaaS or web app you can imagine. For your first prompt, you can even attach a screenshot as a UI reference. Or, if you're a designer, you can import your designs from Figma Rocket. Will turn them into a fully functional app. Let's get started with the first step, prompting. It's important to have a clear idea of what you want to build. If you're not sure how to write a good prompt, Rocket provides helpful prompt guidance right here. You can also use ChatGPT to help write the prompt. Just be sure to give it enough details about your project and review the final version before using it. Here's the prompt I'm using. I copy it and paste it in the chat box. I'm building a subscription tracker app for businesses and individuals to manage their SaaS subscriptions, view analytics, and more features I described in the prompt. It's clear and detailed, but not too long. That's the key. As I mentioned, you can also attach images for reference, then hit send to let the AI start building. Now the AI is working, it is setting up the environment, and may ask you to choose frameworks or initial screens if you didn't specify them in the prompt. So here it asks me to choose screens, and I'm selecting the subscription analytics dashboard, payment method screen, and a few others. Once that's done, the AI begins building the app. A new panel opens where we can preview the app and even view the full code in real time. It says the process takes around 10-25 minutes, but usually time will depend on complexity and number of screens. From my experience, it's worth the wait. It often builds a near complete app on the first shot. While we wait, let me show you another cool feature: templates. Click on templates from the main screen, and you'll see pre-made designs for different types of apps, landing pages, web apps, and more. Click Learn More to preview the template and hit Use this template to add it to your project and start using instead of starting from scratch. Using templates saves you credits because the AI only needs to customize what's already built. You'll see the credits saved right top each one. Now returning to the project I'm building, Rocket has finished generating my subscription tracker app, and I'm actually surprised at how much it does with a single prompt. To see the full app in action, I click on this full screen icon. Now I can scroll through the app and preview all the screens and features I requested. It's really impressive, but at first glance, the design looks a bit messy and overloaded with extra features I don't need. So to clean it up, I upload an image of a cleaner UI reference and tell the AI to tidy things up. I click send, and Rocket immediately starts working on it. Whenever you want to make a change, just tell the AI in the chat, and AI itself will know what are codes to change or add. Now after 2 minutes, my requested changes are finished, and now the UI looks much cleaner and more professional. If you want to view specific screens, just click here on drop-down icon and select the one you want. The features built so far are already good enough for an MVP level SaaS product. Another cool thing about Rocket is that the apps it builds are fully responsive. To check this, just click this device preview icon on the top right corner to see how your app will look on mobile phones, tablets, and desktops. Everything adjusts automatically, no need to worry about how your app will display on smaller screens. Now, let's talk about making this app functional, because right now, it's still using mock data. I go back to the chat and tell the AI to integrate a database and user authentication. After a while, it asks me to select a Supabase project. I don't have one yet, so I click Create New Supabase Project, give it a name, add a password, and select a region close to me. I choose South America. Once that's done, Rocket connects to Supabase and starts setting everything up automatically. If you don't already have a Supabase account, just head over to supabase.com, create a free account, and link it with Rocket.new. It only takes a few minutes. When you go inside the project settings in Rocket, you can view and manage all integrations. Click the settings icon, and you'll see all currently connected services, or connect a new one anytime. Now back in the app, I see that the database and authentication setup are complete. I click push, and the app refreshes. Now there's a login page, and when I click create new account, a sign-up form appears. I test it using my Gmail and a password, and it works. Account creation is successful. To verify, I log into my Supabase account, open the project, and check the authentication section. Sure enough, the new user data is saved and stored successfully. I then test the login again with the same details, and yes, it works perfectly. Now the app supports real user sign-in and sign-up. Of course, since no real user data has been entered yet, the dashboard still shows zeros across everything, but that's expected. Now let's test the main feature, adding a subscription. I click on the Add Subscription button, but nothing happens. It isn't functional yet. So I open the chat again and tell the AI to make the button functional. It processes the request, and within about a minute, it is fixed. Now, when I click the button, a pop-up appears to let me enter subscription details. I fill out the form, click Add Subscription, and boom, it adds the data instantly. The dashboard updates, and the data is now saved in the database. I also asked the AI to ensure that all charts and analytics use the real data instead of mock values. During this process, I encounter a small error, but Rocket automatically flags the issue and displays message. I click on this message, and then click on this Fix It button, and the AI debugs the issue on its own. After fixing it, all the charts and sections in the dashboard start reflecting the live user data in real time. Now, after spending a few minutes customizing the app the way I want it, I even asked Rocket to build a landing page for my app, and after customizing the layout and content, my MVP is nearly complete. We can continue improving the app by adding Stripe for payments, Google Ads integration, or even embedding AI chat functionality. All of this is possible through Rocket.new. Now, let's publish the app. To publish, we just click the Publish button. Rocket will generate a public URL on their subdomain. Every time you make changes, click Update to push the latest version live. I copy the URL, open it in a new tab, and everything works. Sign up, log in, the dashboard, it all runs smoothly. If you don't want to host it on the Rocket domain, you can download all your code or push it directly to GitHub. All the code belongs to you, and you have full control of what you build with Rocket. Want to deploy it on Netlify under your own domain? No problem. Just go to your project, click on your balance amount to open the integrations, and connect your Netlify account. If you don't have a Netlify account, just create one for free. Connect it, and push your project there. Here's my version, live and running in Netlify. I'm now preparing to connect my custom domain and move the app into full production. And here's something important. Even when your free credits run out in Rocket, your app doesn't get deleted. It stays online. So that's how you can use Rocket.new's AI agent to go from idea to a fully working live app, all without touching a line of code. When you run out of your free credits, you can check pricing to upgrade your account. For new user, Rocket give you free 2 million credits you can use to build your first app.